Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tarun Sharma. In this video, I will discuss about chapter 2nd, class 9, topic 2nd, output devices. Let us discuss the first output devices. The process result of information given by the computer system is called output. Any hardware equipment that give output that is generated by the computer is called an output devices. You see in this diagram different output devices. Some most common output devices are: first, monitor; second, printer; and speakers; and next, plotters, projectors, and others. You see the different types of input devices and output devices and peripheral devices in this diagram. Let us discuss the first, monitor. A visual display unit, also called monitor or screen, gives output as visual display physically. The output display on the monitor is called soft copy. It looks similar to television screen and display both images and text. A video is made up of a small block of colored light called pixels. The more of the number of pixels, the better the recognition of the screen and the clarity of output. Monitor can be classified into the following categories. First, CRT, cathode ray tube monitor, and second, LCD, liquid crystal display monitor, third, LED, light emitting diode monitor, and fourth, plasma monitor or PD, plasma display panel, and fifth, touch screen monitor, and sixth, OLED, organic light emitting display monitor, etc. You see different types of monitor in this screen: CRT, LCD, plasma. Okay. And second, printer. It is an output device that prints out information in the computer onto a paper. The output on paper is known as hard copy. Printers are classified into different types based on their speed and print quality. First, impact printer, second, non-impact printer. Let us discuss about impact printers. In these printers, there is mechanical contact between the print head and paper. There is a lot of noise while printing. Such printers have a lower speed of printing. Most common impact printer is DMP, dot matrix printer, Decibel printer, or letter quality printers, etc. Let us discuss about non-impact printers. In these printers, there is no mechanical contact between the print head and paper, so the printing is much quicker, better printer quality, and almost noiseless. Such printers are very fast with an ability to print a lot of pages per minute. These printers come in variety of forms such as electromagnetic printers, thermal printer, electrostatic printers, inkjet printer, laser printers, and others. In this diagram, we see the different types of printers: dot matrix printers, inkjet printer, and laser printer. Okay, done? Yeah. A next output device is speaker. Speakers are output device that give sound output. Speakers receive the sound in form of electric current from the sound card and then convert it to sound format. Sound cards are required in the computer for speaker to function. A next output device is plotter. A plotter is a computer hardware device much like a printer that is used for printing vector graphics instead of toner. Plotters use a pen, pencil, marker, or another writing tools to draw multiple continuous lines onto paper rather than a series of dots like a traditional printer. Though once widely used for computer-aided design, these devices have more or less been phased out by wide format printers. Plotters are used to produce a hard copy of schematic and other similar applications. Advantage of plotter: plotters can work on very large sheet of paper while maintaining high resolution. They can print a wide variety of flat material including plywood, aluminum, sheet steel, cardboard and plastic. Plotter allow the same pattern to be drawn thousands of times without any image degradation. And as is output device fifth projector. A projector is an output device that can take images generated by a computer or Blu-ray player and produce them by projection onto a screen, wall or another surface. In most cases, the surface projected onto a large, flat and lightly colored. For example, you could use a projector to show a presentation on a large screen so that everyone in the room can see it. Projectors can produce either still, slides, or moving images, videos. A projector is often about the size of a toaster and weigh only a few pounds. How is a projector used today? Below is a list of all the different ways a projector can be used today. Projector a PowerPoint presentation at a business meeting. Projector a computer screen to teach a class in a school. Projector a TV or computer with a movie playing to a large screen. And fourth, demo a product or service at a convention center. Transform a wall, house, or another object to give it a different appearance. On next video, I will discuss about memory unit or storage devices. So please like this video and subscribe my channel. ओके जिन स्टूडेंट ने अभी चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो वो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. ओके थैंक्स टू ऑल. हैव अ नाइस डे.